Do you really want to know how to get rid of shyness? Are you prepared to forget everything you thought you knew about being less shy and replace it with the truth? Then you absolutely must acquire your copy of the Shyness and Social Anxiety System. The one biggest mistake I see shy people making is being controlled by their emotions. Nearly all shy people make these basic mistakes. If you avoid people who make you feel shy, then you are being controlled by your emotions. If you avoid public speaking because it makes you feel anxious, you are being controlled by your emotions. If you don't do something just because it makes you feel nervous or afraid, then you are being controlled by your emotions. I hate to repeat myself, but this is an absolutely essential point. In order to get over your shyness, you have to become less controlled by your emotions. This doesn't mean to suppress your emotions. It simply means to act in spite to them. Mark Twain was the one who said, "Courage is not the absence of fear. It is acting in spite of it." Quote. That is the ability you need to build if you want to overcome your shyness. You have to have the ability to act in spite of feeling a certain emotion. This means that if you feel afraid to do something, you do it anyway. Act in spite of fear. If you raise your hand in class even though it makes you nervous, you are acting in spite of fear. If you talk to people even if they make you feel shy, then you're no longer being controlled by your emotions. If you talk to groups and make public presentations, then you are the one in charge now, not your fear. Once you start acting in spite of fear, you will be more relaxed and easygoing. In spite of fear, you will become more relaxed and easygoing in a situation which used to make you nervous and shy. When you stop avoiding your fears, you allow your mind to desensitize to them. This is also called habituation. This approach is very common with therapists to use on someone with social anxiety. In cognitive behavioral therapy, the behavioral part is acting in spite of fear. This is why changes to your thinking are also a necessary part of getting over shyness. That's cognitive behavioral therapy. The Shyness and Social Anxiety System. If you want to learn proven strategies and technologies for overcoming shyness that go far beyond fear and what's the worst that can happen, then click on the link provided above and acquire your copy today. Don't miss out.